Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove an account from Windows 11, whether it's a guest account or another user profile. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings, then click to open it. On the left side, select Accounts, then scroll down and click on Other Users. Here, you will see all the accounts linked to your computer. Select the one you want to remove. Click on the Remove button. A message will appear warning that deleting this account will remove all associated data. If you are sure, click on Delete Account and Data to confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to remove an account from Windows 11.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.